you're a new gardener feeling discouraged by past mistakes in your garden, this video is for you. Welcome, it's Fish from Under the Sea. In 2020, we saw a surge of 16 to 18 million new gardeners. Observing your garden's sunlight, patterns throughout the day and across different seasons is essential. Planting crops that require ample sunlight in shady areas can hinder growth and yield. Be mindful of the light exposure in your garden for successful plant growth. Mistake number 3, planting far from a water source. Ensure that your garden is situated conveniently close to a water source to avoid any lapse in watering your plants. Watering is a vital aspect of gardening, and easy access to water can prevent neglecting your plants due to inconvenience. Mistake number 4, underestimating the power of mulch. Mulching helps conserve moisture, protect soil, and prevent diseases. Utilize mulch like shredded straw, grass clippings, or leaves to enhance the health of your garden soil and reduce watering needs. Mistake number 5, neglecting soil preparation. Preparing your soil before planting is crucial for optimal plant growth, whether in raised beds or in ground. Selecting the right soil, mix, and conducting soil tests can significantly impact plant health. Mistakes 6 and 7, planting crops you don't enjoy eating and overcrowding your garden. Choose to grow plants that you and your family enjoy eating. Additionally, ensure proper spacing between plants to avoid overcrowding, which can stifle growth and yield. Mistake number 8, planting at the wrong time of year. Respect the planting times based on your climate and region. Planting crops at the appropriate times ensures better growth and productivity. Last but not least, mistake number 9, not seeking advice from experienced gardeners. Learn from seasoned gardeners in your community or online gardening communities. Their knowledge and expertise can be invaluable in helping you avoid common gardening mistakes and achieve success in your garden.